Kit. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Kit is a powerful platform primarily targeted at e-commerce entrepreneurs seeking streamlined marketing automation, specifically designed for Shopify stores. Its core features revolve around automated advertising campaigns, email marketing sequences, and social media management, all driven by an AI engine that learns from your store's data. Kit's strength lies in its simplicity and ease of use. It eliminates the need for complex marketing platforms and agency fees, making sophisticated marketing accessible to solopreneurs and small businesses without dedicated marketing teams. It automates tasks like creating Facebook and Instagram ads, sending thank you emails, and running retargeting campaigns based on customer behavior, boosting sales and customer engagement with minimal manual input. Pros include significant time savings, reduced marketing costs compared to traditional methods, beginner-friendly interface, and seamless integration with Shopify. It allows for a rapid deployment of marketing strategies without a steep learning curve. However, Kit also has its weaknesses. The AI, while effective, offers limited customization. Users seeking granular control over their ad targeting and messaging may find it restrictive. The platform is also heavily reliant on Shopify data, potentially limiting its effectiveness for stores with incomplete or inaccurate information. Another drawback is its limited support for platforms beyond Shopify, making it unsuitable for businesses with a multi-platform sales strategy. While the automation is a boon, it can sometimes lead to generic marketing that lacks the personal touch of handcrafted campaigns. In conclusion, Kit is an excellent solution for Shopify-centric e-commerce businesses wanting a hands-off approach to basic marketing automation. If you need intricate control over every aspect of your campaigns or operate across multiple sales channels, Kit may fall short. However, if your primary focus is to easily scale your Shopify marketing efforts with minimal intervention, Kit provides significant value. It's a perfect starter tool for those unfamiliar with paid advertising or those seeking to free up time to focus on other aspects of their business. Just be aware of its limitations and ensure it aligns with your specific marketing needs and desired level of control. Consider it a powerful assistant, not a complete replacement for human marketing expertise.